Today's our topic is how to find your purpose of your life. Now you know that purpose is very much essential for your life to grow and have a very successful life, whether in your own life or business life. So, how to find the purpose of your life? I'll give you some tips so you can practice every day. Take out some time, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. There are 5 elements of the finding a purpose. Number 1 is G. Take your pen and write here G. We have 5 fingers. So here you write G. G is gratitude. Gratitude towards the nature. Gratitude to everything what you have in your life, which other people doesn't have. Many people doesn't have eyes. Many people doesn't have ears. Feel gratitude towards the nature. The universe has given you the eyes, ear, nose, tongue. You can taste the things. The very air which you breathe, the very vegetables, the trees which you get food from, the water, the sun rays, the bulb, the electricity you enjoy, which was not there earlier. So, feel the gratitude. Say thanks to the nature, say thanks to the God. Say thanks to everything what you have. The house, the car, the building, the business, what you have. Everybody doesn't have that. Okay. The number 2 thing is I. Put I on the second finger, first finger. I is imagination. While you are doing this exercise, after the gratitude, imagine what you want, what is there available in the nature, what you want for your life, what you want for your family's life, what you want for other people nearby you, your neighbors, your society, your mohalla, your town. What you want for them, what you want for yourself, for satisfying your needs, and how you can satisfy other people's need. Just visualize, imagine, just think, how, what, why. Now the third thing is we. GIV. V is visualization. So whatever you are imagining, just imagine, just visualize it. See in front of you, it is there. You are contented, you are happy, you are satisfied with money, the clothes, the building, the body, and you are satisfying. And whatever you are imagined, you just visualize it. Just make a picture of it. How it looks, how it will be, what kind of life you will be having by having this in your life. What kind of person you will be, what kind of personality you will be, how people will ask you for the help, how you will be helpful to the people. Just make a imagination, just make a frame, just make a picture of your life, just like in your mind only. Just sit somewhere in the calm place, separately, alone, The number four is exercise. E. E. E is exercise. At least 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whichever the way you can, just do the exercise. Maybe stepping your own steps, going to the upstairs, come back 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. Some stretchings, bending forward, backward, this way, that way. You know, we used to do PT in your schools. Just 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Because by doing the exercise, your body releases four chemicals. The name is dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, all that is there. So these chemicals are known as happy chemicals. So the moment you do the exercise, these chemicals are released. So you feel relaxed and you feel happy about yourself. And again, some sweating comes, some excretion happens, the bad poison from your body, it comes out of the way. As it comes from the breathing, the carbon dioxide comes out. Same way, the carbon dioxide and poisonous things will come from body to out through the sweating also. The number 5 is reading. R. It's reading. Read some book which admire. You feel it is good. Some religious books, some courageous books which help you in your body, building your own character, on developing yourself, self-development. Some books, maybe 1 page, 2 page, 3 page every day. So this is the thing I am telling you for every day without any fail. If you do this for 10-15 minutes every day, once you get up, or you can do in the daytime or night time before you sleep. So it will help you to find out your purpose of your life. Thank you.